Time to turn our focus now to our forecast. The First Warning Weather Team tracking Tropical Storm Melissa and Marquise. It's intensifying.
That's the case, right? We have an Air Force Hurricane Hunter mission that flew in earlier today, and what they noticed is that the system overall is slowing down its projection towards the west and the northwest. So slower movement means that we have more time to feed off these warm tropical waters with temperatures that are in the mid and the upper 80s in the Caribbean currently. Think of it like this: the Caribbean is a shallower body of water as compared to the Atlantic, and with that shallow body of water, well, it heats up a lot faster. That's why the water temperatures are trending warmer. Wind speeds as of the 11 o'clock advisory are still sustained at 50 miles per hour, but its movement, as I just alluded to, has slowed down from 7-mile-per-hour conditions to 2 miles per hour. Keep this in mind, we typically walk at a 2-mile-per-hour pace, so this is moving pretty much at a snail's pace across the Caribbean, which will give it more time to continue to intensify, likely to a Category 3 status. That could be as early as the start of our upcoming work week on Monday. That's what many of the models are hinting at currently, but there's still a lot of deviation on how strong it's going to get and where it's going to go after it intensifies. This was the Hurricane Hunter mission that I talked about. We saw those wind speeds at 51 miles per hour earlier this morning, still flying around, making multiple trips through that center of rotation, what's going to become the eye of the hurricane later on. But as we take a look at the projected path, we could see by Monday in the morning, Category 3. Major hurricane winds of 120 miles per hour. Category 3 starts at 115, just for fair notice. But what we're watching out for is the heavy rainfall potential across the Caribbean. We could possibly see over a foot of rain impacting Haiti and as well as the Dominican Republic. And then as we move into the start of the work week, we'll just get a better idea of where this system is going to go after it does intensify. I'm running all the ensemble plots right now. Thankfully, none of these impacting the state of Florida. Many continuing to travel west across the Caribbean into Central America. Others shooting towards the north and the east. So it will be interesting to see what path it's going to take. But that path can be dictated by some of the weather features that we're watching out for here in Florida today. We had a cold front marching across our Sunshine State. Once this pushes towards the south, it will act as a barrier protecting us from any tropical feature that does spin up from the Caribbean. So that's great news for us here at home.